What emotions come to mind when you think of the holidays being right around the corner? For some, it's excitement and just the idea of getting together with friends and family. For others, it's, oh my goodness, not again. Well, I have a 12-page holiday planner. It's absolutely free, and I want to share what's inside of it. So here we go. First of all, it's templates that you can use again and again and again. There's a worksheet, and it helps you actually create a holiday budget. Think about it. Most people spend far more than they even realize. We often do set a budget, but then we go way over and we don't even count so many things. So first of all, Thanksgiving. We typically don't necessarily think of Thanksgiving when we think of the budget. We figure, well, we're just spending on food, but we always spend more. Whether you're hosting Thanksgiving or not, you're going to be spending extra money. Maybe you're traveling somewhere. Most people don't think of the cost of travel. Whether you're driving or flying, those are added expenses. What about family photos? Often around Thanksgiving, people take family pictures to go on Christmas cards. That's another expense that people don't necessarily count. If you're invited somewhere and you want to take a gift for the hostess, that's another expense. These are all good things, but if we don't think about it or plan for them, we will find ourselves in January thinking, how did I spend all this money? Of course, Christmas, lots of expenses there. You have the tree, you have gifts. If you have kids, chances are they're buying gifts for their teachers. There's so many expenses that we don't think about. So we definitely need a budget. Another thing is, what about gift ideas? One of the things inside the planner is a list of wonderful budget-friendly gifts. Some are absolutely free, some are low cost, others are just ideas. People are tired of things. Their kids don't need one more toy. But people are wanting experiences. People are wanting things that actually mean something. Another thing that I love is inside the planner, there is a Christmas gift list. This is actually mine from last year. Now, this is just part of it, so don't think, wow. But I can see exactly the gifts that I purchased for family members. Now, not only does it keep track of each person on my list, but I write the gift. It also shows that I can check it off once I've purchased it. There's a column for wrapped. So as I wrap the gifts, boom, I can check that off as well. And I have the list of where I purchased gifts. So I can easily see that, for example, those slippers that I bought, where I bought them. Then I have a place for dollar amount. This is great because this helps us keep tabs on how much we're spending. If it's something that needs to be mailed, I simply put yes. You can see the benefit of how that can make life so much easier. The other thing that I like to do is I keep a legal size envelope, and as soon as I get those receipts, boom, they go in there. That way I'm not looking all over the house to find that thing so that I can return it. Another thing inside the planner is the holiday timeline. Again, so often, there we are, trying to figure out, when am I supposed to do this? We wait till Thanksgiving week, and then suddenly we're like, oh my goodness, I forgot to order the turkey. Or there are other things that we need to do. So with the holiday timeline, we can start jotting down as we know that we need to do certain things. What are those things that need to be done early December? Go ahead and jot those things down. And then you're able to have that list. Another thing that's really helpful inside the holiday planner is a place for your menu. Again, I've got mine from last year. So from year to year, what are the things your family loves? Those are things that you want on the menu. Start asking the people that are going to be in your home. Start asking, what are the things that you want me to have? Or if you're invited somewhere, what are the things you want me to bring? The other really nice thing is you can start shopping early because you have your menu set. You may not be cooking for several weeks, but you've got all of these things already set in place. And then once you have all of that, another reason I think people really struggle during the holidays is we don't take time for ourselves. So another part of this holiday planner are just some self-care ideas. It becomes a really busy time going to the stores, shopping, cleaning your house, making travel arrangements, deciding who's doing this, all of those things. So this gives you some ideas on things that you can do, ways to save time, priorities that you can start putting in place now. There's so much here, and I hope that you will take advantage of this holiday planner, start putting it into place, and then as you're shopping, you're writing things down, you're keeping track, you know where everything is. And this is a beautiful way to make the holidays all that it should be. It's a very special time, but we've gotten away from it because we all are so busy. But this is an opportunity to start planning now and then be able to have things more streamlined. So in the description, there will be a place to get this holiday planner downloaded, print it out, and then begin using it. And then once the holidays are over, keep it so that it can be a resource for next year. Consider using it for other holidays as well and birthdays. But again, it's a great time. I know it's helped me because I have a large family and I just found that so much of the holidays I was running. And so this has helped streamline things. And again, with the templates, you can use it again and again and again. Also, share the link. If you know someone else that needs this, by all means, share it. It's completely free. It is my holiday gift to you. As always, this is Coach Maggie, Certified Health and Lifestyle Coach, helping you live a blessed and healthy life. Take care.